In this era of pursuing green and environmentally friendly solutions, Liking Energy Technology Co., in collaboration with Nature's Light, aims to initiate an unprecedented green transformation. We understand that every ray of sunshine is a gift of life, and Liking Energy is committed to transforming this pure, infinite energy into a powerful force driving the future of human life. As a company specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of LED solar lighting products, we have adhered to the principle of survival through quality and development through service. Since our establishment in 2012, we continually break through technological barriers to develop efficient and eco-friendly solar street lights. Our product range includes integrated, split-type, and pole-divided by column series, covering various categories, such as wind-resistant linear lights, courtyard lights, and industrial high-power lights, from Hong Kong to mainland China and now globally. Our product series such as Liking 8 high-quality solar street light integrated, Liking TQ series self-cleaning solar street lights, and Liking MP series windproof streamlined semi-split solar light have gained recognition from clients worldwide. We offer not just products, but a one-stop solar lighting divided by LED lighting solution. Driven by innovation and guided by technology, Liking Energy remains committed to developing and promoting advanced solar street light technologies and exploring new directions in lighting. Our company holds multiple patents and has obtained certifications including ROHS, CE, IP65, ISO 9001, TUV, and FCC by strictly controlling product quality, using high-quality materials and exquisite craftsmanship, and continuously improving production efficiency. We assure that each street light operates reliably and stably. As a leader in green lighting, we are market-oriented and always attentive to specific customer needs, providing customized solar lighting solutions, innovation and excellence, quality first, customer supreme, reliable and professional is not only our core value, but also our winning strategy for the future, with opportunities and challenges coexisting and choices accompanied by efforts. Liking Energy Technology Co. sincerely invites you to join us in the green energy movement. Let us use technology to illuminate clean energy, protect our only home Earth, and create a harmonious and beautiful new life together.